What's good, family? Today we're back in the stew and we actually have a pretty interesting unboxing for you guys. I have some pickups from Supreme Week 1, a sticker brick that I actually ordered from Sticker Mule, some samples for my brand, and I actually picked up a candle from my girl's brand. So all that stuff we're gonna go over in this video. If you're doing up enjoying it, leave a like and let me know what your favorite pickup that I made is in the comments. Also subscribe to the channel, show some love because more blessings are on the way. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. My bad, I had to pull out the Supreme knife, but what I'm most excited for is this order from Sticker Mule. I actually ordered some stickers because obviously I'm trying to prepare for the launch of my brand and I'm going about it in a couple different ways, this being one of them. Hopefully these shits came out smooth because I need them to be readable. We have some stickers which I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. Bro, they deadass sent me some hot sauce, bruh. I thought it was a joke or like they were gonna send me like a sticker of some hot sauce. They literally sent me some hot sauce. What? Nah, can't make this shit up, bro. They sent me some mule sauce. Crazy part is we about to try it on the channel right now. Waste no time. We gonna see if the mule sauce is any good, bro. If it's some bullshit, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm not gonna lie. It says sweet heat. I love the sweet heat. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. A little dab.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh! Bitch, this shit hot as hell. Damn. Oh, this shit got my eyes watery, bruh. This shit is hot. It got a good flavor to it, but it's hot as shit. Oh, I need to make some chicken with this one, bro. No bullshit. Like, this shit got me tearing. Got a good flavor to it though, I'm not gonna lie. Good shit on the hot sauce, that's definitely hot. Basically what I got made is this sticker right here. QR code says scan me. Got my website, 1.NORI, which is the Instagram. Got a little logo on there as well. If you guys are interested in my brand once it drops, all you gotta do is go on 1nori.co, sign up with your email. That way you are notified once we do release. I'm gonna be slapping these shits all around the town, you feel me, at your local drive-through. Hopefully people scan in and hopefully these shits work. Matter of fact, try to scan it, bro. Let me know if it works. If it does, go ahead and sign up. Once we get that list to 150 to 200 people, I'm gonna confirm the release date of my brand. Matter of fact, bro, we gonna try this shit right now. Boom. Boom, opening soon. All you gotta do, scan in, put your email, that way you know when we drop it. I'm gonna be slapping these bitches everywhere. Going global out here. But yeah, the first thing we got is promo stickers ×2. Shout out to Sticker Mule for putting a little kick in my ass with this little hot sauce. Second up, we got the first package from Supreme. Let's see what this is. Honestly, don't know what this is. Some tees, some hats, and this could be either or right now. Off the rip, we got the cat smoking, the explicit words on the top. I don't know YouTube's new policies, so we're gonna keep it simple with what I'm saying on here. We got the 2 regular box logos. Then in this one, we actually got 2 hats. They low-key kind of played me with the stickers, but I did find this one in the box as well. Supreme New York. Definitely tiny, but we did get a couple stickers, so I can't complain. I guess we're gonna go ahead and open the fitted first, which I'm most excited for. S logo fitted 6 panel. Bro, with the shimmery satin under brim is crazy on this one. Supreme on the back, S logo on the front. This doesn't really have that much of a structure, which is kind of a miss in my opinion, but let's try this on. Obviously, I do gotta curve the brim, but I'm not about to break the brim, so we're gonna take it easy on this one. Gray fitted vibes. I see it. It is a little bit tight. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Got my head looking smooth, bruh. Little fitted vibes. Let me know if y'all fucking with it. Honestly, I've been raving about making a gray fitted or some type of gray hat because they normally don't do it. It's normally any other color, but light gray doesn't normally get any love, or like a wash gray. If y'all freaking with the fitted, let me know in the comments. Did y'all end up picking this one up? That is the first Supreme pickup of the season officially. Clap it up. Clap it up in the chat. Second up, we got the over dyed beanie in this taupe colorway. This color is clean. I honestly had to. I have a lot of beanies at this point. Beanie Nori in the chat, but I had to pick this one up. I just love this colorway. This became one of the more popular colorways in fashion lately, so I had to go ahead and get this little beanie. Eventually this beanie's gonna form into my head shape, but for now this is what it's looking like. You got that Supreme on the top right there, not looking too bad. Honestly, with these I typically cuff it like this. You don't even know it's Supreme. It just goes to show that the colors be hitting, bro. I'd probably wear it on some shit like this, fisherman beanie type vibes, but what's the point of buying a Supreme beanie if it's not even gonna look like Supreme, you know? Let me know if y'all ended up going for the over-dyed beanie. Honestly, it was a must cop for me. I do like the waffle knit beanies a little bit more. It is what it is. Still a clean beanie nonetheless. That means that this package is loaded for Supreme, so I might have to leave this one for last. Stick around if y'all trying to watch that, but right now I'm gonna talk about these bags that I actually ordered for my brand. I wasn't gonna include this in the video. Right, I got these shoulder bags. It's almost giving me this Supreme vibe. I also did pick up a candle from Bay's business, Bare Faith. She's been killing it, so I'm actually proud of her. Comes with a thank you card, candle care on the back in case you don't know how to take care of your candles. You gotta cut these wicks, but let's open this up and see what it looks like. Boom. This is Keep Me Warm and Cozy. This one is actually sold out. Only scent that's still available is Moonlight Cafe, but I wish y'all could smell this through the camera. It smells delicious, my brother, no lie. If y'all trying to check out any Bare Faith products, I'm gonna put my girl's Instagram right here, barefaith.co. Obviously, she's gonna keep dropping new scents. Everyone that's copped one so far says the scents are amazing. Make sure y'all go ahead and check her out. Bare Faith Candle has entered the chat to give my room a little sazon, go smell a little better up in here. And last up, we got the Big Mama package. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it without wasting any more of y'all time. This should have 3 to 4 pieces, so they gotta give me some stickers. They deadass gave me the same sticker. I'm tight, I'm not gonna lie. They also gave me this sticker as well. Obviously a regular box logo. Pull all this shit out. We're gonna start off with the watercolor tee. I was honestly a big fan of this one, and I feel like this is one of the ones that I would not end up selling, so I'm gonna pull it out the bag. I got this one in a size large. It's equally as fire in person. I'm honestly really messing with this one right here. The multiple colors lets you wear this with different shit, which I am a fan of. That's why I decided to go with black on this piece. It just makes it more wearable. I didn't want to go too crazy like a pale blue on the color because I won't end up wearing it as frequently. I feel like this is a piece that you could wear with the wave runners. You could wear with blue, purple, red. Obviously, you got a multitude of colors on this one, so I am a fan of it. I'm gonna try it on for y'all real quick. This tee is definitely a vibe. I'm fucking with it, especially for summer. I know I'm gonna be a little hot with the color I chose, but at the end of the day, I could still freak this with a bunch of different shit, so I'm actually liking this a lot. Print doesn't feel too thick. Honestly, now that I'm on the making clothes side of things, when it's a multi-color design like this, you gotta go with the thicker print because you can't just do screen print on it. It's not feeling too bad. Supreme right there. Still remains one of my favorite graphics. I'm fucking with this one. Let's move on to the next. Second up, I kind of regret getting this in an XL, but I figured since the graphic is so big, it's gonna stick to me, so I want this one to be oversized. Kind of made sense in my head. I don't know if I'm gonna regret it just yet, but this is a size XL for the T-Rex tee. Once again in the black colorway. This is a big ass print, and if y'all were on the stream, y'all already know the vibes with this one. T-Rex is clapping cheeks on this one right here. I'm gonna try it on for y'all once again because I will be keeping this one, but shit, homie got the Timbs on at the bottom, clapping the cheeks of the Statue of Liberty, and yo, her toes is poking, so it might be a fun session for her. We gonna try this on real quick. Y'all gonna let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, it might be instant regret, bro. This shit is going down all the way to damn near my knees, bro. This shit is long as shit, but at the end of the day, just like I thought, this is a thicker print because there's a lot going on, so I feel like I'll be able to, at least if I shrink it a little bit, pull this off without looking too crazy. I'm fucking with it though. This has to be one of my favorite designs that they've done in a little minute. It's more subtle branding from Supreme. It's on the building, it's on his chain, it's on the slippers, but it's not one big ass Supreme like the watercolor tee where it says Supreme right on the front. This one kind of just had it sporadically throughout, and I was a fan of that. So yeah, I had to pick up both of these and they both go crazy. Next, we're gonna go over the military messenger bag. This shit looking big as in person. I thought it was gonna be way smaller. Nope. I kind of understand the price point now. This is giving me go shopping in Tokyo vibes for some reason. It is huge, bruh. Look at the size of this bag. It's huge, bro. It's the same size as my chest. This is definitely giving off Tokyo tote type vibes. I honestly bought this so I could fit like my iPad in it or something, but I could legit fit my whole laptop in here, bruh. For size reference, look at the size of my laptop, right? I got like the 13-inch. Can't even see it. It's dead ass dancing in here, bro. So all that to say that this is a big ass military bag. Like, I see why the price is what it was. Whole weekend getaway duffel bag. Like, I could dead ass fit some fits in here, bro. Like, this is big. I do like the fact that it has that Supreme spell out on the top, extra cargo pockets. You could fit a water bottle on the side. Supreme. I think I'm gonna do a review on this, so I don't want to talk about it too much. This is for sure a clean little bag. I would wear this for like a more simple outfit, because right now with this blasted tee and then the bag with the words all over it, it's looking a little much, but it's okay because y'all know what it is. Now we're gonna get into the last pickup, but before we do, if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what type of content y'all would like to see on here. More brand content on the way, and subscribe with notifications on, that way you're notified whenever we post a new video. Last piece we had is the photo tee, which this year was Kurt Cobain. This one might get resold in the future. Thought it was clean, I'm not gonna lie. I like the fact that it was on the simple side, nothing too insane. Basically this iconic picture of Kurt Cobain with the Supreme spell out under it. Damn, bro, now that I'm seeing it in hand, this might be a piece that I end up keeping. I haven't decided yet, but we do got the Supreme hang tag on this one, which doesn't come normally. It actually says the End of Music LLC, all rights reserved. Let me know if y'all ended up copying the Supreme Kurt Cobain tee. In pictures it was looking clean, but in hand it does it a little more justice. I feel like this is a design that I might end up keeping. Who knows, bro? If y'all want to see a collection of all my DS Supreme tees, I literally have around 50 plus shirts that are DS under my bed right now. If y'all want to see that video, leave a like and comment DS Supreme collection in the comments, and I'll make sure to get that done for y'all. This is the last pickup in the video. If y'all enjoyed this one, let me know by smashing the like and commenting what your favorite pickup was in the comments. Also, make sure y'all check out NORI. Sign up with your emails because my brand is coming soon. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.